Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can get internet in Barcelona when you're going to travel there, and what in my opinion is the best way how you can get internet in Spain too. So in my opinion there are three ways how you can do it. The first one is with the Maya Mobile. We're going to have a link down below in the description where you can just get the data, and it's an eSIM. So how does it work is that here in a search you're going to write Barcelona or Spain, and it's going to search. Then you're going to click here Spain, and here you're going to have the data plans. So it really depends how much data you actually need. If you're going to need 3 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes here, 20 gigabytes, or even unlimited data. And when you're going to have it, let's say that you want to go with the Spain here 20 gigabytes, you're going to press here activate now. Now, when you're going to use the link down below in the description, you're going to get also discount 10%, which is good for you. And you can choose here the starting date when the data is going to start, and also how many days you want. So 10 days, 15 days, or 30 days. Let's say I'm going to choose the 15 days here. The price is going to a little bit increase, but not much. And really depends how many days you need. So what will happen then is that you're going to get a QR code to your email. So you're going to purchase it. All you have to do is scan it with your phone. But what you have to know is that if your phone is actually compatible with the eSIM. So if it is, then you're going to just scan QR code. I made a full guide for Android on how you can actually use Maya Mobile. And there is also a guide on how you can use it for iPhone too. So that's about the Maya Mobile, and that's what I like. The second one that I really like too is Airalo. Airalo is a great company too, similar to Maya Mobile. And here you would just write also Spain, and Spain right here. And you're going to choose like, okay, if you need 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes. And I made even tutorial for this too. So here I'm going to press, let's say, buy now. And then you're going to choose buy now, and you're going to find the movie star and all of that. And here you're going to just also apply a code, but the same process. It really depends. If you need unlimited data, go with Maya Mobile. If you're going to need just a little bit of data, go with Maya Mobile. Or even if you're going to find a better price with Airalo, you can use Airalo. And here you're going to just like apply the code, and that's pretty much how it works. So thank you very much guys for watching. And that's pretty much what I recommend for you to do if you're going to get, and if you want to get eSIM and activate internet in Barcelona and Spain. And that's something that I personally used. So thank you very much guys, and have a great day, and goodbye.